Back to BP into tutorials. Today we came up with an interesting function, that is DGET function. Okay, so how we can use this function, we will learn this today. This is very important function, guys, that will help you in many reports and dashboards. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find 250 plus videos that will help you in cracking interview related to trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, MS Excel dashboard, Six Sigma certification, people management. Many more videos are there. Let's start today's concept, that is on DGET function. Example, if I add any of the number from the below table, I will get the salary directly here. You can see here when I added 1007, I got 3000, wherein you can see here when I add 1007, I got 3000 here. Guys, we can do this activity with the help of vlookup also, but we do also have one more function, that is DGET. If you use this function, it will be really easy to utilize that. Okay, so before using this function, I will copy this function nearby so that we can get all the details very easily. Okay, so let's see what this function says. First we have to use equal to, comma, then D8, which is salary, then okay, so what we have to use, equal to DGET, bracket open, select the entire table, so this is the entire table. Okay, comma, now you have to select the salary. We need the salary. Make sure the title should remain same. Okay, then only the function will work. Okay, salary, then comma, then you have to choose the column which is employee ID. That's it, and close bracket. Also you can do one more thing. In place of this 107, you can also go to data, not data, you can also go to insert, drop down. You can choose here drop down with range, from range, and you can give a range here. Now these employee IDs will be our range, right? Makes sense? Right, enter. Done. So you can see here automatically entire numbers are visible. If you select any of this number, you get the salaries 1004 7000, 1004 7000. I hope this is easy to use DGET function in MS Excel. Still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks and comments so that I will definitely help you out, guys. And also don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.